guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have an exciting video. I, for the first time, will be doing an unboxing of okay, you ready for it? Okay, you want to guess? It's the Jeffree Star and Dawson collab I ordered several weeks ago. They're the gloss. Alright, great. Let's open this baby. I got my scissors. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I've never ordered anything from like influencers. I know they have their merch, and then they have all this makeup that they always come out with, but I've just never really been interested in buying anything from influencers. But I think I got hooked when I started watching the Dawson documentary, is that what you call it? About the whole process, and I thought that was super cool. I think it's a smart way of marketing your product. So yeah, here's the receipt. The gloss was $18 and then shipping was $6, and the total came up to $25.72. Yay! It's an expensive gloss, I have to say. Ooh, and it has the nice packaging with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo on it. The glass. Ooh. The glass. And it comes with this postcard. The beautiful image. And of course, the conspiracy palette. Ooh. This is awesome. Okay, so let's open it up. Here we go. Okay, which side? Oh, there we go. This side. I'm so excited, guys. I've never bought anything from like an influencer. Okay, there we go. I think I opened it the wrong way. No, I actually opened it the right way. There it goes. It's here. Okay, I love the fact that it's clear. Oh my gosh, okay, look, you guys. The packaging is sickening. That's the Dawson logo and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo. Wonderful. Okay, I'm ready for this. Let me make sure I don't have anything on my lips. And let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. It smells like root beer. I think I got some on my nose. Okay, let's try it out. You ready? Here we go. Oh God, it's glossy. Oh, I love the applicator too. I wish I had a mirror. I don't have a mirror here. I should have brought a mirror, you guys. It is so yummy. Oh, it feels so good. It goes on smooth. I hate clear glosses that have like a little bit of shimmer in them. I love this one. It's completely clear. Ooh, okay, I'm serving you lips today. Yes, okay. Oh God, look at that. I think I'm gonna get another one when they relaunch this again. It's not tacky. It's smooth and it's thick. So you know it's gonna last. It's not gonna go anywhere anytime soon. Everything is looking pretty nice. Okay. Alright. Ooh, this is nice. I love it. Alright, great. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys next week. Take care. Peace.